Hey y'all, this is Patty just bringing you in to show you my meat and veggies that I'm preparing for the chili. And I chopped all of my veggies, onions, green onions, bell peppers, fresh parsley, garlic, all of that good stuff, and a lot of dry ingredients. And right here, my meat is just about ready for me to start adding everything that I'm going to put in it for the chili. I'll come back in just a bit. Okay, y'all, here's my meat, and I just want to show you that I drained it. And look at all of that fat in the bottom of this pot that I drained from the meat. Didn't want to put all of that fat in this chili, and this is the stock pot that I'm going to cook it in. And these are the ingredients: tomato sauce, kidney beans. I have black beans that I'm going to rinse off, chili beans, pinto, and diced tomatoes. I have some tomato soup. I may use that, may not. I don't know yet. But this is the diced tomatoes. And then I have beef broth, and I'll be putting cayenne pepper, chili powder, um, ground cumin, and this is the onion powder and garlic powder. And I'll probably put a little bit of salt. I'll be using this sea salt and probably some white ground pepper. But when I get it all together, I'm going to put all of this in the pot and get it started. And then I'll bring you back and show you what we have here. Okay, y'all, come on in my room and look at this chili. Chili with beans. Look at this. Chili with beans. All of these beans and meat. Oh, look at this chili with beans. And this is my plate. Chili with beans, my sour cream, and my shredded mild cheddar cheese. I'm getting ready to pig out, y'all. This is Patty. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, and tell a friend or family member about my page, Patty Southern Kitchen. Thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. Bye now.